What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. I'm going to see if this vacuum still runs. Hasn't been ran in probably about a year or so. But we're going to make sure it's not locked up. Sounds good. Might need to replace the belt. Other than that, it feels good. Not locked up, nothing. This vacuum is an 80th Anniversary Edition Kirby Generation 4. It is from October of 1994, so seems pretty good to me. Awesome. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. And as always, before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day.